Hello beautiful lovers, guys, wife material is in the kitchen again. Today we are going to make delicious akara. So guys, watch this video to the end and see how I prepare this akara. So the beans is already washed, guys. So okay guys, as it is hot, we are taking the quantity that we want to use on this akara, guys. We are not using everything. Who dey zuzu? Who dey zuzu na wife material na akara dey load. So guys, if you are just coming to my page, don't forget to like, share and watch my video to the end so that you will know the process I use to fry this akara. So we are blending the beans, guys, as you can see. So we are blending it 3 times. So we are taking it small. I added pepper inside and a little bit of onions. So I added water inside. I started blending it, as you can see. Okay guys, as it is hot, I'm done blending the first set, so I have to turn it for this rubber. We are making using of this rubber, guys. So now the third set be this one, so I can't turn that inside. That's now they see. So now wife material they run, and they show you how to make akara. So I can't add onions join a slice the onions. I can't add salt to join. So if you are doing akara, not add too much salt, because if salt too much it will be salty. So after adding everything, I turn it together. But if you like to use maggi, you can add maggi inside, but I don't need maggi. I just need only salt and onions. So I mix it very well, as you can see here. So now the oil when I want to use with this one, so I first put the use oil for fire before I add the second one on top. So it's time to fry the akara. This is our beans, so we are frying it. This akara sweet, if you use and eat bread or you use and eat garri, you go enjoy yourself. Must see akara. So we add the first set for fire. We are turning it, as you can see. Now wife material they run now. Even many people don't know how to do akara. This one are the simple thing when you go feed use your beans do for us. If you don't know how to prepare akara for your kids, come and learn it here and know how to fry akara. This one a very easy thing to do, not hard. You don't even need too much ingredients. You don't need any ingredient to do it. All you just need now just a pepper and salt. Finish. Don't tell me you cannot fry akara for your family. See akara na. Who dey zuzu? This one na aje butter food, no be aje pako. This food where you dey see, so na aje butter food. Come and learn how to do it. If you don't know how to cook, come to my channel. I see they talk and say, now maybe the best cook on this channel, the best chef on this app, guys, is here. It's calling you to come and learn it. I'm not collecting money for you. All you need to do just to watch my video to the end. Watch from the beginning to the end. And like, share and comment. When you watch it, you will know how to do it. Almost the second set is ready. Now the second set be this one. So now the last set that we they do. So come and learn how to fry akara. Akara woman is here. The only one wife material in this app. Voiceover is not easy, no. Do you want to make people laugh? Learn how to do voiceover if you want to make people laugh. Even if you don't sabi speak English, you sabi speak and talk and put too. They go comment. See akara done ready. Oh yeah, just view this akara well. Guys, share this video. I love you all.